What's up, everybody? And today we've got a new train review video. Can't wait. So yeah, just need to get this thing open. Let me just grab something to stabilize the camera. Okay, let's see. Okay. Yes! Here it is. It is a new Santa Fe locomotive. Trains of the World. BNSF Railway. Also, if you don't know what BNSF stands for, it's going to blow your mind. Burlington Northern Santa Fe. Oh my gosh. Your mind is blown now. Anyways, yeah, let's get this thing open. Come on. Okay. This is going to take a bit. They're broken through the plastic surrounding this thing. Yeah. Okay, now I can rip it. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Got it off. Let's see. So we're here. Here we go. Okay, now I can't get it out. I can't get it out again. Did it. Okay, let's get out the locomotive first, I guess. Oh, sick. Oh my gosh. Okay, now let's get these box cars. Come on, there we go. Box car 1, now box car 2. And we can't forget about the cargo. Ow, that hurt. Okay. Actually, I have absolutely shredded this box. Okay. Last piece of cargo right here. Okay, let's set this thing up in the full set. Here we have the full set. We open up boxcar 2, we have this. And if we open up boxcar 1, we have this. This cargo, yeah. I love the Santa Fe diesel. It has such good condition. Yeah, it does kind of look like this diesel. Yeah, it basically is like the same type of this diesel right here. You have to like take this and then, yeah, basically just like the same type. Only this one kind of looks like a Southern Pacific diesel. This is sick. So we're gonna close the boxcars back here. And then it can just drive. It drives. Oh wow, it is smooth. It is smooth. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video and bye for now.